Hello everyone. So today I will explain JavaScript closures. So a JavaScript closure is a function that remembers its outer variables even after the outer function has finished executing. So first of all I will explain what is a closure. So when you define a function inside another function and the inner function uses variable from the outer function, a closure is created. Okay, so next is like why does it matters? So closures allow to maintain state between function calls, create private variables, write more modular and secure code. So that is the example of closure. So first of all, I created one function name create counter and then parameter, and then I take one variable let count equal to 0. Then it is a outer variable, right? And then I return another function. In the function I pass the parameter and the count plus plus. It is the inner function and it is uses outer, and then I return count. Then again I take one variable const counter and the create counter I assign with argument, and the console.log counter and then argument, again console.log counter, again console.log counter. So what will be the output we will got? 1 2 and 3. See, 1 2 and 3. Okay, what is happening here? So in that create counter runs 1 once and return a function, and the return function remember count even after create counter has finished. This is a closure, right? So if I talk about like real life example, so I'm giving another example also. Just comment this code. So let's suppose we have one function and the user, let's suppose let name Ria, and then return another function, and then return function, not a function, only return. Okay, return, let's say one get name and then arrow function, let's say name, and then set name, let's say new name, and then arrow function and then name equal to new name. Okay, and then let's suppose I take one variable const u, let's say user, and then console dot log u dot get name, and then u dot set name, let's say Alice, and then console dot log u dot get name. Okay, so now what we will get output? First of all Ria and then Alice. See, Ria and Alice. So what is happening here? Name is private accessible only through the return function due to closure. Okay, so that is the, like we can say, real life example. So what happened? Like first of all function user and then I declare let name equal to Ria and then return get name. Okay, so a new variable name is created in memory with value Ria, and then get name and set name are functions that access this name variable, and user returns an object get name and set name with reference. reference to this function, and const equal to user. Now you holds the object with get name and set name. Even though user is finished executing, the name variable is not destroyed. Why? Because get name and set name close over the name variable. This is the closure. So u dot get name calls the function that returns name output ria, and then u set name alias update the name variable inside the closure, and u dot get name again now return alias because the closure preserved and modify the name. So that is the closure. Now we can say a closure is when a function remembers and access variables from its outer scope even after that outer function has returned. So that is the closure. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, so you can comment down. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.